Good morning. On the 7th of July, I am right next to a field camping here. It is a beautiful, beautiful place to be camping right next to the fjord, and just about to have my breakfast in there in the facilities, and make my way over to the Atlantic Road finally. Time right now, it is, let's have a look, 6:32, and everybody's sleeping. And what an amazing place to be camping next to. This is called Malm Fjord. It is a beautiful morning this morning, and really amazing place to be. I am on my way to the Atlantic Road, and this is not very far from it, so I thought I'll capture this moment for you and just give you the sheer epic sort of views here. Brilliant. I absolutely love it. What do you think? Oh, good. So last night I set up my dinner for the night. Didn't really mess about with the time at all. I obviously had to pitch my tent very quickly and in the rain. That was okay. Everything went well. I spent most of my time in the kitchen facilities, just basically getting ready for the morning. So I set up what I exactly need from my luggage for the morning with respect to the breakfast, and left my breakfast pack in my top box, and then instead of having the shower in the morning, I decided to go for a shower at night, and basically I got myself ready for the morning. So the start of the Atlantic Road is basically coming up now, the much awaited. Now we are on the way to the Atlantic Road. So most of what you're seeing on my GPS right now is the Atlantic Ocean. So there are 7 bridges, I believe. Just gonna have a little quick look around here just before I get into the bridge. This is the Atlantic Road. I think that's the first bridge. Wow. Finally made it to the Atlantic Road, and the seas are calm. There's not a lot of wind so far at this point. We'll see how it is like on the bridge. Okay, this is it. This is the Atlantic Road, and this is the most iconic bridge that I am visiting. Wow. Just disappearing into the skies. Wow. Oh wow, what a sight. What a sight. Look at those. Awesome. well proud to have made it here alone, all the way from the UK. Over to the next bridge then. Okay, this one is the one that we just crossed. Going over this side now. Lots of people camping at the roadside. Wild camping, that is. This is one of the parking, some shops, I think, teas and coffee and all that. Okay. Does this count as a bridge? Possibly, probably. Not sure. Probably does. There's supposed to be 7 bridges here on the Atlantic, and hence the name, the Atlantic Road. This is it. This is another one. This is all happening. That, I think, is the end of Atlantic Road. Okay, these are the facilities right at the end of the Atlantic Road. I think I was contemplating possibly camping here. That's one of the camping area. I'm not sure if this is a camping site or wild camping, but there is something here. Yeah, probably a camping site. No camping, yeah. Alright, okay, so we're gonna do it one more time on the way back. Okay, get ready for that. Look at this sign. This is the Atlantic Road in Norway. I'm just starting to go back. Quite an amazing experience, actually. Yeah, brilliant. The scenes are fantastic, absolutely brilliant. I'm so glad I came here. Gliding through the bridges. iconic bridge, which I'm about to cross on the way back now. Another side of it. I think I'm just so lucky with the weather. A lot of people have said that it's been quite a dramatic weather here. Winds and rains and waves and all that. Oh. What do you think? What do you think about this road? Have you been here? Would you like to come here? Okay. This is it. This is the most iconic bridge I'm going to be going on top of in this trip, 21-day trip in Norway. Okay. Wow. Awesome. Love this bridge, man. Really nice. Look at that. Look at the view. Awesome. Just trying to take it all in. Wow. What an amazing view. Love it. And just because I can, I'm just going to do another lap. Okay, here it comes. This is the amazing Atlantic Road Bridge in Norway. What an amazing sight. Love it. Brilliant. And I'm just going to come back from this little parking lot for another and the last view of the Atlantic Road Bridge. Here it comes again, the last time. Just checking the traffic, and I am on my way again to the Atlantic Road Bridge. Just check out the view as I get to the top. It is just amazing sight. Really amazing sight. I'm going to slow down at top of the bridge and just check out the view from the top. Pity I can't stop here. Love this one. Wow, look at that. What an amazing place. What a lovely view. Fantastic. Love it. Yep. That was the infamous Atlantic Road, which I'm visiting right now in my 21-day trip all the way from the UK. So guys, what do you think? Was this worth it? For me, definitely worth it. Absolutely every single kilometer and a mile I have traveled to get here, it was definitely worth it. So I'm going to end the vlog for the Atlantic Road here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please do like, subscribe and share. And if you want to see some more of these amazing videos during my trip, this is my 21-day trip in Norway, all the way from UK and back. So until next time, take care. Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the channel. This is Sohail with you today with a brand new video from Norway. I am currently on my 21-day trip all the way from UK and back. I have just made it to the Atlantic Road this morning, and that was in my previous vlog. If you haven't looked at it, just go and have a look at it and find it from my channel. Today I am just on the way to Trollstigen and then carry forward. There is a ferry I've got to cross in the way, so that's where I'm heading towards today, this morning. And weather is still looking okay. Temperature is about 13 degrees C. I'm wearing my full kit, so all ready for the day. So stay with me and enjoy the vlog. I'm just enjoying my music. Chal mere bhai, chal chal mere bhai tere haath. Different scenery to see on the way back. We obviously went this way on the way over to the Atlantic Road. On the way back, it just gives you a different perspective. It's 9:30 this morning and I am already enjoying the views. I feel so proud to leave in the morning at 8 a.m. from a campsite. Look at this amazing view. That's where we went down yesterday, and that's where I camped last night. You know, on my whiteboard at home there is a statement which says that some storms don't come to destroy your life. They are there to clear your path, and that is literally what happened to me last night. I thought, you know, when the rain started and the weather was playing up, I thought, oh man, what a disaster for me. But little did I know that for the next morning it was preparing me for that wonderful view at the Atlantic Road. And I just could not have wished better weather, better conditions. So there you go. Here is a mini Atlantic Road bridge. I think I crossed that yesterday on the other side, and it kind of looked like that as well. You know, the car is just going and disappearing into the thin air. Oh look, there's a bridge on the other side too. Interesting church building coming up on the left. How about that, man? One thing about the campsites is that you do tend to meet lots of interesting people. Last night I was at that campsite and I met an English couple who were on their honeymoon and on a caravan. They were from Lincolnshire, I think, and they were having a great time, basically. They had hired a camper van from Bergen and made it all the way over to the north side of the country, and now they were heading back. Then I met a couple of two German motorbikers, and they had just finished their fjords, and now they were on the way over to the Atlantic Road and then over to the Sweden. It's basically exactly the opposite what I'm planning to do. And then I met another German family who were also camping in the camper van. So it seems to be a popular culture actually. So this is me just arriving. This is a scanner, by the way, for the number plates and things like that for the ferry. I think the ferry is just there. I hope I will be able to make it there. This is quite convenient. Let's see. Oh yeah, come on. As I say in Punjabi, rudku. What is going on? What is going on? Let's see if I get some priority treatment. Okay, thank you very much. Right, fantastic. That was good timing. Love it. This is the ferry going back, which I took yesterday. It's every 15 minutes and it lasts only 15 minutes. So here we are. Made it just in good time actually. Come on, back. And yeah, let's just park here and have a look around. There's no strapping here, by the way. You basically, I'm going to put my bike in handbrake mode, and yeah, we're doing well. And the doors have just closed and we've just started to move.